Hey, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know I love to use that Black Radiance primer, and I love the Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. It is my holy grail, and for the price, I don't use it that often, okay? So y'all already know how I feel about the Fenty products. Everything is listed down below. I finally got a new beauty blender. That's my baby. Yes, y'all. So obviously this video is very self-explanatory, but I still wanted to give you guys a voiceover because I never do. I never really have the time to record in peace and quiet. I know that sounds weird, but I can't even do regular videos without a voiceover because it's something always going on. But I'm working on it, y'all. Working on it. So the look was inspired by Black History Month and just all about the vibrant colors against some melanin skin, y'all. Like, who doesn't want to look radiant, vivid, and just popping, okay? So that's all that we doing. I'm just winging this whole entire look, literally and figuratively, just wanting to really dabble into that Too Faced gingerbread palette. I had got that palette, I think maybe Thanksgiving, I'm not too sure, but I really didn't get to really play with it. So I'm like, you know what? It kind of goes with my little head wrap, bow, whatever I got going on. So I'm like, why not? And I think this look came out real cute, real cute. So the concealer that I'm using to cut my crease is a CoverGirl concealer. It's so old, that's why I didn't really care to mention it. It's not that thick, it's a little watery. I just needed something of a lighter shade, so that's really why I didn't list it. But you can use any eyeshadow base that you got or concealer that is of a lighter color to really make your colors pop like so vividly. So like I said, this video is very self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just let the video do what it do, honey. Now y'all see that vivid blue though? I did not know this whole time that this was a Ruby Kisses eyeliner. This is, I've been using the same eyeliner for forever. I love it so much. Like, now I know what it is, y'all. So then I added that gold chunky glitter by Cutie Pop. Oh my god, that's the first brand that I worked with chunky glitters, and I feel like I'm gonna just stay loyal because I just love the way it come out. It's so good, y'all. And I had just used the NYX glitter base to let the glitter adhere to it. Y'all know it's good. So my eye was like really watering, so you guys will see at the end that one side of my glitter isn't as perfect as the other side, and that's because my eye just wouldn't let me live, y'all. But y'all know how that go. The show must go on. So now I'm just adding my favorite nude lip combo is Film Noir and Myth by MAC. Okay, it just works so good together. And make sure y'all shop my lash. These are the Amilli 2.0s. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, and share.